The next installation is for the printer that will set on top of the conveyor. The printer has 4 thumb screws that will set into these holes, machined holes on the plastic slide guides. Once in position, you will need to remove the cardboard protectant from the conveyor, or from the printer. Undo the tape on both sides. And then pull in the direction of the conveyor belt movement, which should be from operator side, right to left. Once that is removed, verify that your thumb screws are engaged in all 4 sides into the proper slots underneath. If they are sitting on top, it can cause issues down the line. So verify that they are in the holes. Lower the printer by turning the thumb screws counterclockwise, all 4 corners, until there is no pressure. Once there is no pressure, start turning them all until you get a little bit of tension, and then take 3 full rotations on the front. And 3 full rotations on the back. By maintaining the same number of rotations, you ensure the printer is level.